Anambra Day for Moscow.
Huh?
You want your peace here? Where are you going? You want your peace?
Hello?
Where are you going? Where you going?
Hello?
All the Anambra Day na Moscow. How are you, my dear?
Hello?
I lost you. Where's my earphone? Where are you going? Where are you going? Canada. Okay, let me get my airport. I'll call you back. I'll tell you what is going on here. Live from
Okay.
Moscow.
Okay.
Yeah, stop.
Okay. Onye m. Fuck, I'm not
No,
gonna
I'm still update from
Jesus.
Moscow
All
now.
right, all
Yeah.
right, all right, all right, all right. Onye m. The Baron
Oh,
himself.
good.
Onye m. Oche Njela time. Onye awo onye m oche. Onye awo onye nke m, man. The guy will make sense with the money. The guy too makes sense with the money, Joe. Yeah. One name, one name. A full name. Oh. Yes, I'm a good, none of my god, man. Madam Magamagale itself, I don't know. Because sometimes traffic will just clutter everywhere. But me could make it go on time. The weather is kind of friendly today, it's not that bad. JPAC told me that the weather will be so terrible today. Later on, the weather is even bad. I know 48 degrees Fahrenheit. JPAC itu buo again ash. JPAC itu buo again. Hell, Nkiru nkemu nwanyi ọma. They will. I love you, six. JPAC itu buo again ash. JPAC, you told me lies. You one of the new trend now. JPAC told me. JPAC told me. Oh, JPAC told me. Chimo. Hey, I'm gonna miss my husband. I need somebody to do Christmas for me because but I know they do for me. Don't you know that I need money? I need money, oh. I'm not about Christmas. A lot of expenditure, a lot of things they are going to spend. I love the attire. Oh, winter, oh. Winter make me go carry some of my jeans, some of my booger jeans. Where they rugged, they call them rugged jeans, rugged jackets. I go carry the winter. I don't like cold weather. Jesus Christ in my heaven. Nah, cold weather is not my thing. No, my husband love it like crazy. He's the one that love cold weather. I think we should move out of Chicago, but he said no. Because we wanted to go to Texas. Maybe Dr. Fortunate, But my husband don't like hot weather at all. And I don't like cold weather. Yeah, and I don't like it. Just little cold like this, I don't dey shiver. Bro, Megan, the boss lady you be now. Boss lady, I no be boss lady, I be Okalesia. I know the answer boss lady, I be Okalesia. You know all I want a nickname here. Give me the one where belongs to me. Give me the one where belongs to me, baby. I got my own name. Okalesia. Queen of all queens. I want to bring my these lips. Anyway, one of my friends lagged today. laga Nigeria today. So aga m enye chai ọ gwara m na onwe nga ọ ga-anọwa na ego shiri ike n'obodo ahụ. She's not like a old time person where I know actually. I don't know her for long. She stays in New York, but all she in there jalaga. Na the money o jala no ge zuru ya na nwere ebe m ga-ahapụ ya ka sport and all of were Imo State actually. Hey, got another temptation now. If I say no, I'll be like, no, wash because she can't they ask me. She can't they ask me say, okay, please, I need your help. Everything I'm gonna pour half. You go in a charge, you can pour, and you're not even spend only 2 weeks. She had wow, and I joined business anymore. So you know what I did? And you know me, I come run on my best spot. Come run on our back, and that's what I'm doing. Okay. As far as I know, security there. So I call for them now. Not you. Thank you so much. Nah, but though you both know there is you. But that's why I always encourage people to invest. Invest because it actually in my Jindanda, come a story in Danda. The story in Danda Marie. Story in Danda. We do many like this, we no go see them outside. Okochi. Hey, your coach now, by any nehageri. See your coach time. Your coach now, by any nehageri. Investment to the mouth. Now, they managed to call up no lot. I couldn't even sleep. I got my home today. I could just take my 1 hour break. Just to get an hour. Nah, course, when I got some money. When I get home, that I'm kind of sleep. I couldn't sleep. Nah, conference call. But that didn't matter today to compare yesterday. Oh, hey, it was freezing yesterday. Oh, nkari na dokwu, nkari na dokwu, nwekwa ihe ọzọ, nkari. Ọkwa nkari na dokwu. Nkari na-ese okwu. Nkari na-ese okwu, nothing more. Trust me. Oh, nkari na-ese okwu. That's nothing more, my dear. Nkari na-ese okwu a. Nkari na-ese. Okay, here with the new museum. Yeah, I'm a mama here. Jesus, when they make me go here, child, they will like it to. Hey, but I'm not the only ticket $50. Nah, thing is beautiful. Yeah, come on, check out next. Like my wedding and if you're not for your Christmas break, go for a happy. Tell Emmanuel go for a happy. Oh, it cost them now $150. That place is beautiful. What the menu? Shy. Akwenyi ga-abụ isi oche. Ọkwa nkali na-eso okwu. Ọkwa nkali na-eso. Jebak told me today that inidiri gachọrọ di na December eruola. Inidiri ga mee mma gị proud this year. Jebak si. Jebak gwara m ọsị. It's time for you to go and settle down. Mama gị ji aṅụ mmanya. Ibe mma gị na-aṅụ mmanya, mma gị echere, when is gonna be my town? Oh, When is it gonna be my turn? Oh, I will property, I will market. I'm sorry, when I go, I'm positioning them on. That's what you need to do. I get back where I'm. The show no brother. Nah, I'm going to be away back. The Lord says, when the Babylon 70 years are over. Jebag one Juliet Choma, Orula Media, pushing in a K, one after another. Jelurudi Uguani Woody Loyalo Uduani Woody Loyalo. A woman to give me a guy. I'm showing into that phone. Jai, the why? People where you think that are your problem, don't be your problem. Enemy within. Jai. So, wow. God, thank you for my life. Hey, Wakatiko. Holy land. Oh, didn't they go on like a Christian song? I'm telling you, sometimes who you think say your worst problem, it not be your worst problem. Watch out, vehicle on shoulder ahead. Problem day everywhere, but it's all good. I'm over blessed to be bothered with anything. Over blessed. I wish they know. I'm calling it so cool. Nalibano Mercedes car. Jesus. Nanende Mercedes na rona aka. Yende Mercedes na rona aka ogere. Ulo to zika ba goru nuwa. Na gi Mercedes na inya dika rocket. Hey. Ogene. Yende Mercedes ojoka nwa ma biko. Nanta choka eji to Jiwayo ba jiga de na go ani. Nanta na ebuta ni different size, different designs. Jesus, what's going on? What is going on? Namuka mande music ya. I don't be I talk the book. I didn't visit Tagabe for Tazaga about there. Folk call Bomb Hangichala, Bomb Pata. It's okay anyway. But tomorrow we start. We resume tomorrow. Escon on a J pipe collect here. Woto. Okay, I'm fine though. Wasopia rings. I'm fine, my darling sister, brother, whoever you are. Thank you. I am okay. Open on Kaline Sopo. Jealousy, Chineke na say Vomo, I remember Benga Balabala, Ebe Kamga Balabala, Ogechi Ebe Kamga Bala, Hinko, Gary. Hey, Chineke Tata, where to Rodo. And I is Nelu no Kumane, Lucia. Someone, I'm a big ass of course. About I can know what could I awalam. Man, answer of your bleeding. Hey, my love, I hope you are doing. I'm good. Don't get up on my love for what because you know, I know everybody hates me in America. No, sorry, not the whole Nigeria. Yeah, but you can live with the love from. Not gonna leave me, Joe. Hey, I'm on my way. Look, I'm gonna figure it like this. Don't come out. Don't come again. My work. Hey, Chineke, now one cat is so how. Ike gwụrụ. Chineke mere m ebere. Hit the page. You know, which page I come down here because K page. Ogechi Okeke Njaka. I wanted to go to my the other page, but it's not good. No one at home. I'm supposed to be sleeping. Hey, now this phone call again. Next time I'll just turn off my phone, man. Hey, just wanna just sleep me. I'm gonna go to know our supervisor today. I'm gonna have to sneak in and sleep. I'm gonna go do my nurse someone I don't get today, self. So my witches and wizard. I cannot report to you. Did not pass mess. Did not pass mess. Look, she's nowhere. Say all my bodies, then I'm good. I'm good. Ọkwa na nkali na-esokwu, nkali na-esokwu, nkali na-esokwu, nkali na-esokwu. Nkali na-esokwu, aka m dịkwa ọcha o, enwekwa onye mburu ihe n'obi aka m. You are my Nnewi sister, but I don't want you to continue sagaring anyone. Saga is part of me now, my brother or my sister. Saga has been my part of me. It's part of me actually. But I choose my fights. I have an exam on Tuesday and I am forgetting everything. Why? To give brain, why? Don't be like me, like them gingerly my professional exam. Oh, in fact, that God save me. Nobody want to shake him. John Deleren class, working. Then I saw my body there. She again. He called exam fever. Hey, up to me, nothing they fear me. That day, can't see fear. In fact, one to is the before when I was young, nothing ever. But until now, and I still not a fear. But that day, I want to Dimash, what is wrong with you? What is it? Go to go back in Shabamba very best. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Can't you be? What is wrong with you? So you cannot take exam 10 hours? I mean, a medical exam? Are you okay? Come on. I don't want this present again. God. Who told you that J-pipe on Governor Onyoshi? I don't understand. Who told you that J-pipe or Governor Onyoshi? And what I mean right now? Alright, let me block. Oh, you baga walk. But you can't no worry obri na just oh bye bye. Oh, my Jenny corner about war. Mba, joke or gonna can bogoya. Otilo. Lays to did live. Live. You know what, you know we land not under anything called depression. Things are not moving well for you, Obodo Igbo, every little thing, things trigger you. Because you know, be careful about the kind of people you put around you. Be very, very careful. Because you don't know at the point something will just trigger somebody for no reason. I'm just telling you. You really take him when you're gonna on under medication, and when one thing that's bothering the person just have to be because stress Obodo Igbo make it you start behaving like, and especially when you're broke. It's not good to be broke in the country like this. Lie. Especially you're broke. Things are not moving well. Things you planned, many things. It's very frustrating. Oh. Well, let's put our people to prayers. People are passing through a lot, and when they start misbehaving, you think everything is normal. Not everything. No, people are going through some depressions. People are passing through a lot. People think when they marry you know, people no, it's destiny. It's akaraka. It's destiny. You can't. I mean, you know. People who put like this, nah, charge you on your head. Gonna give me wait happen. God is help me, oh, thank me. Nah, jela go bada do you go chile la vera no be better no work but that things are going on though. Dr. Fortunate guys. I go help my mother have food. Don't come about pocket back, no best. Can you call the man out? I go call you later. We can get gist for you, Steph. I'm gist about that babe. I get gist, Joe. I get gist. Doc, because you can send the make I'm broke. I need money. I need about $5,000. At least I will get beat. I will get beat. I don't say you get beat. I don't say you get beat. That boy gonna pour some 2 or 3 of those now. At least me win about $20,000. And me chama kuno. That boy want gonna share one go because be make. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. The most beautiful. It go like it. Oh boy, God, oh gosh. The most beautiful. How much do you want? The most beautiful. But with our country, we can't surprise the ag. Ma ba kushak. I need the game and it business again. I got it. She need them about 10 million. All of my men need my carry out 10 million, just tell them 20 million. Oh, she came with her. She told me, Anna. Now, me in the big bado. Any liabilities. I know what I'm telling you. Now you go to carry the. I come give me in the big man. I know what I'm saying. Getting broke, man, getting broke, you start calling them. When you got a problem 24/7. So as I need the money now, I'm up Odogu na Malaysia, Odogu, baby get the broke. So say, are you broke? Okay, so say, I'll name it broke or possible. Okay, let's say nothing broke. Any dream about 6 million. 6 million? Is that all? Oh yeah, we talk okay now, no make. Now before you know it, I don't collect 30 million, 40 million. I swear to God, when were you in the baruru? Please. As I broke now, you need about 10 million. I'll pay back like about a month to come. Yeah, money. That money, before you know it, money don't complete. Okay, Ghana, tomorrow Ghana on Facebook. Anybody where they bring anything, you know, like an come Facebook, let that person be your greatest enemy. Anybody where you befriend 1 minute na Facebook you go solve them. That person not talk what good though. That's how they talk my own. So people can gonna get discussed which one log inside. Settle the matter. When they page nobody go hear them. You go come, you go straight off face, you go straight off it. No good friend will ever brutalize you on social media or that possible. Onye ahụ again. Onye ahụ bịara gị ọnwụ. Nna gwagwa gị wee eziokwu. When Dr. Fortunate, I got bacha like this. Ba. But I see we go to, before you know it, we go just mind our business. So then when you hear friendship that you want to value a lot, when you value friendship, you keep it very close. What I go? Have to value friendship. Friendship when we friendship walk through to. In fact, actually, enyi na enyi wa ahụ chaghara. Enyi na enyi wa ahụ chaghara. Because my life mụ na agaga with the same the way I reason and yours. But when you get pagide, no, only the other one is not considerate at all. Nagashiki Kogigashik. Oh, you don't need liability friend though. Friends to run from liability friends. Man, none of my I choose my friends, so I choose my associates, so I tell me then come on I'm moody. Okay, being mego. Okay, when you say you can't do that, it become a problem. I chose in those kind of lifestyle. Okay, being mego. I'm in this, I'm in that, I'm in because I just money because when I'm not when they not room. So every time you know, being mego, I'm short of money. No, if I say no, it will let him turn up. My warrior, your jaw. I know how to say yes and no because I'm grown. You what I go? Try to be nice. Try to be nice as much as I'm basaga. I'm gonna make very soft heart. Trying to be nice as much as I can. Try to be nice. I try to, accommodate peace. But I don't know. I don't know. I just don't know. Yotago. Try to initiate peace. Because I want Papa Gejibia. Chorogi, natural peace that you will not give up. No, when that kind of heart. Yotago. Kapane George Ma the last day. You have a very odd gajo. But it's all good. It is well. We learn every day because actually, husband and wife is an institution that you can never graduate. Experience on Facebook is an institution that you can never graduate. That's it. And I want to park. Oh shit! I want to park in front of my. Okay, is available. Awesome. Hey, I like parking home like this. Now monitor motor outside. Kasi na moto awo obere moto biko mmadụ apịariela m ụgbọ ndụ. I remember one time one accident here. Nearly na pịakọrọ everybody. Hey, chief pilot nne m I greet you my darling onye m nne ji m nke na-emene. Nne. I'm just kind of oh my love, greet me, oh. Chief pilot. Is all good. It's all good. It's all good. Nekekime. Nasha mara hụrụ ndị ekwe ji kọlụ merụọ m ahụ taa eziokwu m. Akọrọ kisi ya kwechibere ha bikọ 1 or 2 hours now. I just dey smile wetin I go do now. Nkali na-ese okwu nwekwa ihe ọzọ bụ nkali. Nkali na-ese okwu. Saga you. Nobody they say Irilano used to eat now. Look good all winter. You know na winter now. So you like we go the ruffle the package wear. My sweet soul, I hear say this one they pen them really. I don't know. Oh, I try to get up sweet soul. Child. I'm gonna sweet soul. Sweet soul. Oh, they don't like my sweet soul. They call me. Oh, it's okay. Oh, no, next time I will just turn on my phones. Child, yeah. I don't know how I'm gonna hustle this one today, but me drink don't let me scores. Cheese. April maple. Nah, more. But I'll turn your call. Oh, nah, I will not try this thing. Queen Choma, you are my kind of person, I swear. We know they carry something for mind. Last, now we get good. No be Choma name, eh? In fact, ask him God to treat me in life because I wanted the kind of heart in me. And when we cannot bargain, I no go green. I no go green. I no go green. Lie. I remember when Ken was apprehended. Born on a prison. Chief pilot and actually raised the ego man akosasia. Waja, them akosasia. You know, because that time I was still hot. But one day, the day that really made me child. Mabashi, what about if Ken is my brother? Would the day Ken came out? Hi! Namele, I show you who Ken call who Ken. Because this is a guy that used to be my follower. We don't day. I know. Machina, who Ken call who Ken. Hi! Shamba, but you boost of woman now. Mash my fashion, make a mind my business. I said, after all, nothing concern me, make a mind my business. But it must like the day. Muchas remain. That door put her up. Hey, God forbid, I need to morally show him. I need to tell this guy because my heart was still bitter. But I was looking for any means to hurt him by all means. But after much I shall God become I will not even try this thing again. Hey, because when this guy gets charanga now, wanna comedy. Yeah, more comedy. They are just moon themselves. Now trauma that day shamba I'm the video. Nah Masha on post where now nah mashamba. Let me free my mind because man on go biko gang pek. Man on go biko gang pek. That was why you I don't know say the acceptance of the apology go cause wahala. Nah, this life I never see. I never see it. If I don't forgive, they say I don't forgive. Soon I will start my own comedy because when I start your comedy, don't worry. I will just this my can I make a knock? I may try and not secure this thing now. My blue. I can add Facebook which is I knew your kind of person there. Yes, so that is me for you. That is me for you. Oh, me cannot bash in a lie. I go back. Make hello.
Yeah, Auntie Oge, good evening, ma.
Yeah, evening, K1.
I did.
The make who get up more.
I be fine, boy, and I hope say you don't forgive J Park.
He could have bomb here. Why would I forgive him?
please forgive
Why?
me because I'm the fans of J-Pack.
Not the man. Wait 1 minute. You can be fan of anybody. That doesn't mean that I will forgive him.
Forgive him, please. I'm seriously begging you.
Okay.
Auntie Ogechi, Auntie Ogechi, I need that
Hey,
to beg you.
when you cool am down because I'm cool like
Auntie Oge,
that.
please
Oh,
forgive J-Pack. Please,
onye
please.
anyị ga-eme
Yes,
exam ike I
I
like.
need that to beg you.
Hey,
Just
it's so bad, my brother. No need that for me, I beg. Chai.
forgive him.
Hey, da.
That's
Ebe Kisha,
Asaba Delta State.
okay, from Asab. Okay, okay. Fine boy, fine boy, no pimple.
Auntie Oge,
You want to be my sugar boy.
Auntie Oge, I don't
Chere,
want Auntie Oge, please
no,
forgive.
now I want to toast you
Auntie
now. I never
Oge,
reach. I don't get
you are
money.
a woman. You are a
I
married.
don't get money. I don't fit take care of you.
No, you are a married woman. You are a married woman.
Why? Even the married woman in a sugar boy.
No, Auntie Oge, I don't.
Yeah.
I don't.
Wait. Or we not sugar mommy they pay. Oh.
Yes, I don't say sugar mommy they pay, but I don't want to do sugar
And
mommy.
my own sugar mommy na dollars so.
No,
And they go like now. If you travel to where I go give you one apartment, make you stay there.
no,
You go
you
to
dey
enjoy. Even you go to carry woman itself without my accent. You go to live large. I go tell my driver say make he release one car for you. You go to carry and they go.
Oge abeg.
I dey
Dey reach
toast you here. You no wan gree now. Una don see am. This one
Auntie
why
Oge,
I gree now. Say make I toast. You no gree.
Auntie Auntie Oge, leave
I'm
wetin you.
telling you.
Auntie Oge na
I
biko
like
fan.
him. Oh. I get nyash. I
Auntie,
fine. I get intelligent. I get money. I get experience. Eh? Is that
please forgive
why don't they
J.
toast you now? Do you know how many people where even want make them have this opportunity make us toast them?
Na dem na no be me na.
That is why
Me
there's something in you.
no
Why you dey
no no no
laugh?
no no. No.
I'm
Abeg.
serious. Oh.
Forgive J. What I'm seriously begging you is for you to forgive J-Pack.
Wait, wait,
This is only
wait, wait. Make I talk my own finish now.
my talk.
You get big bola.
Big boy. I no get
Eh.
big boy. My boy be like J-Pack own.
You don't so you dey yash JPack. How you can't see JPack bola?
Because of
How
that
you,
first video where you do that day
hey,
where you show
this
where you do
boy
phone
don't
like this.
confirm say JPack dey yash for us. How you contact see JPack bola?
No be waiting I talk oh. See me oh, you dey live video. No all over the world they see this video. No be waiting I
Wait,
talk oh.
wait,
I tell you
wait,
say
wait. Why
waiting
you
I
why
tell
you
you be say
wait? Why you dey even compare your bola to your fellow man bola?
because you are insulting him with that bola.
No,
That's why I have
no,
to
no,
use it.
but I'm not insulting you now. I'm asking you your own. So why would you compare yourself with insulting bola?
No, stop calling him now. Beg, forgive him now. Can you let's
No,
stop
no,
now? If you
no,
want to,
no, 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 no. We need to settle this, so because very soon I'll be going to work. We need to settle this. Why would you compare yourself with bola where everybody they insult? Why would you compare your bola to that bola? This boy don't make me vex. See, I just dey toast you. You just dey do guy because you get 5 face, you get open teeth, you fresh. Eh? See, I don't dey toast you, can't they do guy? You don't go see. Hello?
I dey hear you. I dey hear you.
That's why I self. I be content. I can create content at any given minute. I be content myself. We see how I don't dey create them now. People come they watch, they laugh. Now me be the content myself.
But have you forgiven J-Pack Okwanyon? Please.
But that is not the bone of contention now. I just they ask you, say, you no one rent me as sugar mommy.
No, you have already married. You are a married woman now.
No,
Those
no,
first
married
already
women they do sugar mommy passing. Ah,
no, no. You are a married woman now. How will I be friending with a married woman? What if I let her marry my wife will come become a sugar mommy? So
No, let me tell you, it not be everything we wish in this life they come to us. So
I told you leave that kind of
now
thing.
your destiny they carry you they waka.
I told you safe, you don't come again with you. Wait
I
till
swear,
what
it not be everything they. This guy know they
you know
understand.
you know say I be that
Eh,
boy. Why you kill
my
yourself?
Cheaper.
brother run no, run no,
I say no
run
no.
no. My brother run no. Hey. Okay, we put it to trouble.
Cheaper.
Eh,
We supposed to not be Facebook, supposed to create content. But we
Nine
create
ten.
content.
oge akwụna nwa mmadụ aka ị na-ajụ asa ezigbola lekwe gị lekwa
Na yana
kọntentị echi o for ndị gospel
They go
ndị
copy this
gospel
back now. They go copy
for
this
ndị
back now. Say, see how it for the last one. And for the preaching last one. Come and copy content.
yan
for ndị gospel ndị gospel oge
My
hapụkwa nwoke
love.
hapụkwa nwoke mmadụ my brother run o
I
run o
swear no. They want bring my brother
run o
back. I know be like Egugu.
Run, you are not informed. Ndị saka ka adịkwa gị bam. Ndị gospel. Ndị saka
I
gospel ka
beg,
adị gị bam.
auntie, I beg you, particular you. I beg, make calm down. Eh? I beg, help me tell Auntie to forgive J Park.
It's okay. Please forgive J Park. Don't bring out her sexy pants of red and pink again.
I just want number to come my wall. I'm going to be a scatayana.
Why?
It's okay. Should I kneel down too?
Auntie, get
Should I
put
kneel
him
down?
nigga. Cheap pilot. Until this boy, put him no guy, sugar boy. You put it,
Ah,
na.
my brother, run, oh. Run, oh. I get
You know,
you program, oh. Tomorrow sit at home. You are the gospel.
tomorrow is sit at home. We are not doing sit
Tomorrow
at
you
home
sit at
out of state.
no, we have sit at home on Facebook.
Natasha, please don't promote anybody's page for a beg.
No, I'm not promoting that. That's I'm not giving out the name.
Auntie,
Okay.
look at 233, 231 people is watching. You are
It's
totally
250
not.
actually. From my side, it's 250.
Now
But
let
I
me
have
tell you.
no.
As soon as you don't
Okay,
agree now, I will forgive J Park.
my brother, no gree, no gree, no gree.
Why?
Di
That's why
ewu
they
onye
spoil.
amị.
That's
Di
why
ewu
they
onye
spoil
amị.
market
Ya ga
Now,
now.
soldier,
ndị
I
Amerịka
see
a
that
na-achịkwa
today
a ga-agbakwa gị
I
a
see
ga-agba gị
husband
egbe
with
n'ụkwụ.
Zion. They want jail me. They want take me for court.
A ga-agba gị egbe n'ụkwụ n'ogo ndị Amerịka ndị
Yeah,
Amerịka
no.
American soja a na-achịkwa.
Say my woman me
I
power back.
wouldn't just
My
give
power
me the carrier
go up.
this because this man they training chacha. This event they
My,
training no nothing no
my brother,
everywhere
run oh.
and I noticed something. Anytime my husband put on that clothes, you know they laugh.
You know, I say if you know, like you know, my
The
my
boy is always smiling, but
my
anytime we go put on, we go know
Yo,
they laugh.
my
What kind of
talk with
spirit be
my
this?
my
my
is I have a okay. I don't want to. My one of my family as my family is a naval
Nah,
officer.
like na sugar
They
boy,
don't
sugar
smile
boy.
once hand or even without that uniform.
nah,
No no self on how church.
my husband did not know. Uniform, you so get it, you no go laugh again.
I go see them that picture before mine on a palace of just man can bag war.
Uh,
I go see that picture of my brother now with the uniform. They don't smile even in pictures. They don't. Once you're in that uniform, you don't smile. They don't.
I said, what is the spirit behind this real thing? And when it's something no,
Hmm.
you know, my husband, when I but as soon as you don't put on that thing, you don't straight up. In the can clock
I
or
told you.
in the talk, I they come make
My
a clocking.
brother, run no, run. Eh. Akwefu you see, Jetpack and no get how one name. They know how
Yeah,
they started.
but
They will
I
still settle.
no. That thing I got
Me,
to
I
what
for no.
that thing
Ngwa, mụnwa the reason why injury tinye dị ọnụ n'okwu ahụ.
pass. I beg my follow
The-
just to bring something inside.
Okay. The reason why mụnwa jiri tinye dị okwu tinye ọnụ n'okwu ahụ in the first place was because there's a particular video that I shared, and that's where he got those voice notes he played
Yeah.
of a lady that came and was talking about Oge's dad and also one of our sisters by the name Nkiru. So it was from that video that they copied that thing and gave to him. And the fact that he posted some things that I posted on my page, he took it and posted it on his page. That was why I actually came in.
But
If
I beg,
not, you know, consign me. Sandahana Basarom.
Hey,
If not, I for no puss mouth. So,
Tawani.
and young hair, and young hair. If you're gonna say, can you leave J Park for us? You want to have Brian J Park? As he can't gonna why Sunday that I am.
Somebody met J Park told me, and they met Benu now.
Okay, me, I need to also do my own comedy, but I will not stone. Okay, that's a region Kute Lupuganya.
I want to put on the book. Yeah, I'm coming for him. I'm coming for
Okay.
him.
The kind of Kute way they get, let's say that you're too high. This OJ Park and we are not target.
They should
But
wait
the
and
contest,
comment. I
the
get
contest
when
is
I don't put it.
the contest is that and Jepak told you Jepak man told you Okutamu I go do my own too post
I tell you, my dear.
because I go
Enge
mono.
me. I do to go when I Chineke kpọọ ha ọkụ. Nwoke ọma, mgbanụ m ahapụ gị ebe ị jụrụ m down. You don't like me. I don't want you liking me. I'm not your class. You want to go? So as you have rejected me, no problem. I
I
will
did not
just take
reject
to heart, you
you.
know. No
See
problem.
ring where wear for your hand. See ring where wear for your hand.
It doesn't
You see one. You see
matter.
one.
It's a diamond ring, a marriage. It doesn't matter. This thing, you come why Nigeria na values here. They don't value it. So I don't know. Like,
Okay. Okay, please. 254 people is watching, and I've
how would
seen
they
it done
not
again.
watching it? They
I've
not
seen
not
it done
people increase
again.
now
As
because
you can, as you can see, I've seen it done
and
again to beg
they
you,
see
begging you, forgive J Park. Please. J Park may not come out and say forgive, but me, I don't come and say I beg. May forgive J Park. Forgive him. For let the saga be just
that stone must revise on J Pipe head. Just cool down. All got me over the way.
I beg.
All got me over the way. Next time, I'm going to come to
Biko, anya biko. Ayo ka na yo biko. Gbaghara zie ya biko. Biko ka mgbe m ji ayọ gị ihe niile anyị na wee small fine boy. Biko gbagharakwana ya biko zie. Biko
the number now. It's good. All right, Mbano. Let me go and make money. Kangol. Oh, thank you for joining. I appreciate it. Thank you, so brother. Guys, I'll offer a few more minutes. Come back until gets funny. Hey, Queen Choma. Not to have the content to myself. If I go copy this part now, you know, but on Facebook is I create my content. Let them wait. I'm coming. I'm on by next year January. Next year 1st January. Say nobody go to carry anybody's stuff. By then, okay, this is your sexy eye. My sexy eye today. Let's show wow. But take the key. Otu mewu content no nwemo. Nenwa is live. Okay, go enjoy. You want to mash? Nash ne pant ge mark Facebook dey bring mad life. Gabia no small. Gabia no mba ke ga hang here. You hang upon here. So ta na ele ya. Hasina na like one. When you go follow one. Na like all the them. Today can go for people na je papu kwe. I'm not like up. Get the go. Today go. Nam ti wa na lere mwankere. Wa kene na mene akọchi ọchị. She akọlọ party na ki akọpre ya. Content video that I run almost 3 hours. But it's okay. All right, guys. Nice meeting you guys. Thank you for joining. I'll see you guys next time. Let me go and make money. 2 more minutes. Bye, y'all. Hey, princess. Princess, I miss you today. I didn't see you that much of you. I didn't see you. Then where is my time? Nigeria, fuck, I want to target everybody. Because they target me. Let me be the Ishimiri. Ishimiri. Hey, I should have told you what's the reason I cook Chubana get balaga. Because if I is not As you get out of board, once you reach your custom, I get back. Bye.